Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. How are you? So I am not Jeffree Star. I'm just starting that way today. I feel a little bit like Jeffree Star sitting by my pool this morning, enjoying the nice Palm Springs air. I just got a new delivery in, and it's from Tiege Hanley. Can you guys see this? Tiege Hanley. That's better. So, someone from them reached out to me on my Instagram and they sent me a PR box, and I'm so excited to do an unboxing with you guys. It says Uncomplicated Skincare for Men, and I went on their website, looked up their founders. There's two of them, and this is a family name. And I really just think it's kind of cool that men are coming out with more skincare lines and are really taking some time to really think about their, their skin and thinking about the future, because so many people didn't before. So I'm really excited to do this unboxing. I have not used this product before. I have not heard of them before, so I was really excited to see something new and fresh. Whenever I see like a new brand, I'm just like, oh my gosh, like I want to see like what they're all about, read the reviews. And they have a huge following on Instagram, and you guys can follow them. You also can go to Tiege, Tiege.com, to check them out as well. And I'm still opening it now. Okay, they put some tape on it. Okay, so let me put this box down that they sent it in. So everyone, this is what it says. It says, thank you for your order. Well, we didn't order it, but welcome to Tiege Hanley, uncomplicated skincare company for men. Oh my god, I can't talk this morning. The Tiege Hanley system is designed to be a 30-day program. If you're a Tiege.com subscriber, you can adjust your schedule, so you log into your account. Okay, so this is like a 30-day program that they want you to subscribe to. And they tell you the different levels of what to do for morning, evening, and additional. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so the packaging's pretty basic. Like, it's cool. Let's see what the bottles are like. Ooh, okay, here's the wash. Daily face wash. Okay, definitely will try that out. Oh, this is the AM one, like they're talking about. You have to go on this whole schedule. Like, this is no game. Like, this is for real. This is the PM serum. Here is a scrub. 2 times per week facial exfoliating scrub. Oh, we love that. It's kind of like our other one, like Countermid. Super serum. Ooh, I want to see how super it is. Let's see this last one. Eyes. Ooh, I could use that right now. Okay, so let's see what they say to do. It says, oh my gosh, there's a lot. It says wet face with warm water, gently rub wash onto your face, twice per week gently massage the scrub onto your face, pat dry with a towel. Level 3 only, apply serum evenly to your entire face, allow product to fully dry before continuing. Level 2 and 3, apply eyes evenly around your eyes, and 7, massage and moisturizer. Okay, it's kind of the same thing for night. Says additional information only if the product is not dispensed. Oh, that should, hopefully it's not a problem. Usage amounts. Oh, it tells you right here the usage amounts. I really like that. That's really cool. And it says it's very important to put on AM moisturizer with your SPF when using your serum before going out into the sun. Avoid getting product in your eyes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to try the eyes, and I'm just gonna put a little bit. I just want to see like what the whole bottle is and everything like that. We'll do a part 2. I'm going to Vegas tonight, so when I'm in Vegas, I'll let you guys know with the wash. We'll do a wash video, but let me see what this is right now. Okay, so here it is. Kind of smells good. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my finger. Okay, let's see if it even comes out. Uh-oh. Nothing. Okay, and I'm pumping right now. Like, I am pumping. Oh, I heard something like crack. Oh, there it come out. Okay, so it comes out quite fast, so you have to go slow. Okay, let's just see. The texture is like a little creamy. Yes. There we go. Okay. And some dark circles. Mama's tired today. I'm just kidding. Okay. And this, I have nothing on my face right now. I just washed it, so it's just clean. That's why I didn't want you to wash it again. So I should have mentioned that before, but I just washed it, so. Okay. We'll see how this works. I am like dying to know. I'm going to do a follow-up video with you guys, but this is all their information if you guys want to check them out. It's a 30-day skincare regimen, and you have to be dedicated. This is like a whole situation, so be dedicated. And you should. You have your face for the rest of your life. So Tiege Hanley, TIEGE.com. Uncomplicated skincare for men. We will do a follow-up part 2 for this, and I'll let you know my thoughts and reviews on it. I think that the packaging is really hitting their demographic, and I think that yeah, I'm excited to try it all out. So guys, I will let you know soon what happens, and we'll do a follow-up video in Vegas. All right, bye everyone.